to stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to go to your Chrome browser, and then you have to search for the facebook.com. So you have to search for the facebook.com, and when you search for the facebook.com, then you come to this page, and then you have to log into the any of the account that you want, and then here you can after you log in to your account, what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings. So you have to go to the and go to bottom of the page, and then here you can see the settings. You have to click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you have to scroll down, and you have to scroll down, and here you can see the storage settings. You have to click on the storage settings, and here you can see allow others to share your public storage to their own storage. You can see the first option. You have to click on the first option, and then here you have to type on the no, and here you have to type on the only me, it means no, and then here. So that's it, that how you can do this. And so that's it, that what you have to do to stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.